Hey guys, welcome to Incline at Ascension, one of the hottest communities here in South Summerlin. Now stick around because in this video, we are going to be going over the Gardengate, so don't go anywhere. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up, guys? So welcome to Incline at Ascension here in South Summerlin. Now, guys, this is a beautiful master plan community. We're about 25 to 30 minutes west of Las Vegas Airport and Strip, close to the summit. Now, guys, this Ascension master plan community is actually made up of 6 different communities. 3 of them are going to be Pulte communities. The other 3 are going to be Toll Brother communities. Beautiful, again, master plan community. This is the only new build, new construction, guard-gated community in Summerlin, okay? Now, in this specific video, we're going to go over the Incline at Ascension, which is going to be single-story homes. So here, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 4 different floor plans here, all ranging from 2,297 square feet to about 2,875 square feet, okay? With the base prices ranging $1,048,990 all the way up to $1,320,990. Now, when you see the base price, just know you have to factor in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades, okay? So as far as the lot premiums, the way they're doing it here, because there is high interest here, they are bidding on lots. Now, the lots, as of today, they're going for about like 150 to 200,000. With the upgrades, buyers are normally putting in about 20 to 25% of the base price, okay? So just take your base price, add the lot premium, add the average upgrades. That's going to be your out the door price, okay? These homes are all single story, very luxurious, modern homes here. I will have some information about the community for you. So as far as the HOA goes, the HOA is $255, and that's going to be for the Ascension master plan fee. And then you're going to, in addition to that, you're going to have the $65 a month Summerlin South fee, okay? So that's a total of $320 per month. Now, there's no sit-in lids. But if you are a buyer in this community, buyers are to pay a one-time amenity fee of $5,000 at closing, okay? So that's just a one-time fee. Build time is going to be about 7 to 9 months, and the average lot sizes are going to be about 6,500 to 8,500 square feet, okay? Most of these homes are going to be building from lot up. They're not doing too many spec homes, although they do have one spec home available right now, which is like a quick move-in. I think they're going more so toward the path of building from lot up, okay? Also, in this community, the Incline, there's going to be about 119 homes, okay? But in total, for Ascension, there's going to be 561 homes altogether, okay? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Gardengate floor plan. Now, the Gardengate floor plan is 2,297 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 3 car garage, a den. Base price is $1,048,990. Out the door, after upgrades and lot premiums, you're probably looking at around like the 1.4 to 1.6 mil. Now, if you don't care too much for the 3-car garage and you'd rather have like a bedroom, you could definitely upgrade into that. So this is a 3-car garage tandem, meaning that it's more narrow this way. Right over here, you could fit like 2 cars wide up, and like one inside right here. Okay, so right here we have this little nice courtyard area. Okay. So welcome in. Now I just walked inside here. The theme is it's very light colors in here, so a lot of white. Okay, so welcome in. Now, straight ahead, you're gonna have like your living room. You have a wet bar over there, and you're gonna have a kitchen. To the left, you're gonna have the bedrooms. Okay. Now to the right, here, let me see if I can open this door. So this would be your door to your garage. Again, this is an upgrade right here. Otherwise, if this wasn't here, this would be your 3 garage tandem. Okay. But yeah, we'll just quickly do a walk around so you get a floor plan. Beautiful. You have the 10-foot ceilings right in here. You're gonna have the 12-foot ceilings. Okay. So you got kitchen, dining room, living room area. Okay, so you got your nice backyard, outdoor living area right over there. You're gonna have your primary bedroom right through here. Okay. And then this will be your den as well. Right in through here. But yeah, let's go ahead and start very front. So you're gonna have your door to your garage. Again, this is going to be, this is optional, okay? Having this suite right here. So, you know, in case you wanted the 4-bedroom, you know, you'd probably go with this option. Cool, so look at this beautiful upgraded shower. As you can see right here, it hangs off, has like a lower threshold. And look at this beautiful material right here. Got the nice tile with a seat. Yeah, if you didn't have this walk-in shower, I think the more standard route would be the shower tub combo. So right here, you'd have your would be your closet. Beautiful, loving the 10-foot ceilings. Okay, you're gonna have pre-wire the ceiling fan in every room. That's standard. You'll have smoke detectors in every bedroom with a smoke detector / CO2 detectors in the hallways. Okay. Couple of structural upgrades you could do here, actually. So I believe you could make this laundry room a little bit larger as well. Okay, so this wall wouldn't be right here. So this whole room could be just like the laundry room right here. So you got the beautiful upgraded cabinets, smart panel box. This is where you would set up your router and your modem. Washer and dryer. You will have your attic access right above. Okay, so we'll check out this part of the house. So this is where you're gonna have the 2 bedrooms. Nice. So you have your linen closet in here. I'd say in this area of the house, so yeah, this area you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings. Again, 12-foot ceiling is gonna be the foyer and the living room, okay? You're gonna have 10-foot ceilings over here. So this is bedroom number 1. Okay, this is about a queen size bed. So if you're curious to know the dimensions, just reach out to me. I could definitely find that out for you. So here's a walk-in closet. This is the other bedroom. So beautiful bedroom right here. So we'll check out the wet bar. Oh, but just in case if you're wondering, so this is the floor plan right here. And then again, we do have your dimensions, okay? In case you're curious to know, the dimensions of the room. And yes, as you can see, this is the tandems. This would be dimensions right here. And then if you had the suite, okay, you'd have that full bath just in case you wanted that 4-bedroom. Okay, cool. And then here you can take a look at this as well. So this is the upgrade options available that were not modeled here. Okay, so right here, you're gonna have your den. Now, having this powder room right here is optional. Now, you could just have the den with the French doors. So the den would actually be a little bit larger, but if you wanted a powder room, you can add that. So right over here, you do have your optional wet bar area. Okay, so nice, beautiful wet bar. And primary bedroom. Optional fireplace right there. Okay, beautiful large slider. Again, right here, you do have 10-foot ceiling. Okay. Now, again, with the elevations that you could choose from, 3 different elevations, they don't just, normally with builders, the elevation is just the exterior, how the exterior looks. But over here in this community, it also affects the inside as well, because the B and C elevation is going to give you 12-foot ceilings in different places. Normally with a C elevation being the most expensive. So here, normally you would get the Whirlpool appliance package. So you got the optional KitchenAid appliance package. Look, beautiful countertop. I like that for the backsplash. They went ahead and brought up the countertop all the way underneath the cabinets. Okay, so this is going to be your pantry. I got your double oven here. No, I'm sorry, not double oven. This is going to be your microwaves. Okay, your dishwasher. Beautiful sink. Normally it'd be a stainless steel undermount sink. There's a couple of different kitchen structural upgrades that you can do. Again, let me know. I could forward you the sheet as well, so if you're wondering what are different types of structural upgrades. Okay, beautiful backyard. Take a look. Okay, let's see if we can go in the back. Yes. Nice. So you look at this setup. You have the TV right here. You could hang out. You could just hang out right over here. I know it's still summertime, so probably wouldn't be in this area just yet. Also, too, this is just because these are the model homes, but obviously this wall is going to be higher. They just keep it low. I'm not too sure exactly why they do that. Maybe you could just easily check out the other model. Yeah, with the HOA, I'm guessing they give you about 6 months to about a year to complete your outdoor landscaping. So, yeah, I just moved into a new built home, and it's actually pretty hard trying to think of ideas of how to landscape your backyard. So, yeah, this is pretty nice. I mean, it's all just like a mixture of, pavers, rocks, plants, turfs. This section is definitely really nice. Great for entertaining. Let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. So right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. Welcome to the primary bath. So your sinks are separated. You have your primary closet tucked away back there. Okay, so you have your shower. Again, lower threshold right here. Gotta take a little step down. Okay, beautiful walk-in shower. So you got your walk-in closet right here. Now guys, if you're watching my video and you are interested in new construction and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be glad to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's great too. Just let your realtor know, make sure they go with you on your very first visit. If you go by yourself, what's going to happen is the builder agent's going to get your name, your phone number, and email. Once they have that information, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, just because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So we know what to look for, and we know when to negotiate. And we also hold the builders accountable. So definitely really important. So get yourself some representation. Okay. And guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the Gardengate. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're curious to know what the incentives are, or if you're just looking for help with this new build process, give me a call, shoot me a text. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you next video.